Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing frustrations associated with the K-1 visa process. And, unfortunately, this last year really threw the entire immigration system to the United States into a cocked hat, for lack of a better term. It really it wasn't good. We saw a lot of things implemented by the last administration that seemed almost intentionally. It was like it was designed to make the immigration apparatus obtuse or difficult to navigate. Then COVID hit, and the administration kind of seemed to like to use that as an opportunity to make it even more difficult. And we ended up with almost a total deep freeze on cases in the second half of the year, where we saw virtually nothing processing out. Then things changed with the new administration. But we do have some issues I've seen with clients, whose expectations are that, okay, Biden's in office and now things should just all turn right back on and boom, we should just be moving ahead. It's not really how it unfortunately is probably going to work, at least for the forthcoming few months. And what I mean to say by that is, there's a backlog. The system was kind of all gummed up. They're moving forward with the cases that were sort of ready to have, they were in the queue and ready to go. But as it sits right now, we're, in a situation where we're moving things as fast as we can. The system is moving things as fast as it can. But unfortunately, it can only move so fast, and the backlog is quite substantial. I will say, watching the U.S. Embassy process cases over here, they're doing things as fast as they can. Everybody's trying their best. But the system can only handle so much, and it can only move so fast. I understand people's frustrations. Believe me, I'm just as frustrated as you are. I don't seem like it because I've got pretty thick skin to this stuff after some 14 years of doing this and dealing with all of this. I'm pretty used to just it being what it is. I don't mean to chuckle at that, but you get used to it, and there isn't much you can really do about it, so there's no point for me to get overly flustered. If anything, it'll hurt my clients' cases if I get that way, because I'm not thinking clearly and I'm not trying to move things ahead as best I can. I understand the frustrations out there. Try and stay as calm as possible. For our clients, we're moving stuff ahead as quick as we can. For folks out there just watching these videos to gain some insight, it's a cumbersome process. It hasn't gotten any easier the past year. I think we are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, but we're still in the tunnel.